in front of Anantasajja temple. This temple has been constructed by Balram Dev in the year of 1518. And the historian stated that, according to the history, it has been mentioned that this temple has been constructed because Raja have got Sapnadesh, and Anantasajja Narayan Vishnu Swami is the Aradhya of Rani of Balram Dev. So, according to the Sapnadesh, Raja and Balram Dev has collected the statue of Swami Vishnu Narayan from the Sambalpur to Sarguja way, and then after he tagged this particular statue of the Lord Swami Vishnu Narayan and set up in this particular place, and it is in the year of 1518. This is the front gate of Anantasajja temple. Let we go inside and know something about the temple. This is the temple. Some history, some information has been given by endowment department that has not been shown, but according to this endowment department and history, it has been constructed in the year of 1518 by Balram Dev. And as you all know that Balram Dev fought with the king of the Sarguja, and Sarguja king defeated. Then after, this particular statue which has been established here by the then king Balram Dev is in sleeping positions. The structures and the style of the statues is shown that it is a statue of another state, Sarguja in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh state. So let we see all that. Enter inside the temple, and let I show you some things one by one. The priest is present here. Let we collect some data. And this is the structures, it is only structure, and this is temple. This has been constructed much earlier than Shamleshwari temple, and in the year of 1518, means, you know, dear friends, at that time Sambalpur was under the dominion of Balram Dev, the then king, and this temple has remarkable architecture. You see the Gambhira part, how it has been constructed. You see the Gambhira part. This is only a statue where you can see Lord Vishnu is in sleeping positions. Let I show you that, how the Lord has sleeping. You see the structures, how Lord Vishnu has sleeping postures. This is really remarkable. That is why this is called Anantasajja temple. And the more important, another significance is that this temple peripheral area was full of snakes, and according to the priest, he described and expressed that when he disbelieved that about the particular local proverb that there are snakes, and very same day he saw a snake while he was offering his prayer. So let we talk with the priest, Mr. Ramchandra ji, who will disclose something to us. So now we talk with another priest. He is just offering some japa today. So, महाशय आपका नाम परिचय थोड़ा दीजिए।
मेरा नाम रामचंद्र पुजारी है।
अच्छा, तो ये मंदिर का जो स्थापना के बारे में कुछ बताइए, कब ये हुआ था
स्थापना है बलराम जी स्थापना के लिए।
जी जी।
और ये 1518 का
1518, दैट मीन्स ये आपका करीबन 500 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया ना।
हाँ जी।
500 साल। अच्छा, ये समलेश्वरी दिस जो टेम्पल है, ये समलेश्वरी मंदिर से पहले हुआ था ना?
हाँ, पहले है, बहुत पुराना मंदिर है।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो यहाँ पर और एक बात होता है कि यहाँ पर आपका सांप वाप बहुत ज़्यादा निकलते हैं बोल के बोलते हैं, क्या सच है क्या?
तो अनंत वासुदेव है,
अनंत वासुदेव
भुजग सजनम, सांप तो रहवे कभी मतलब रहता ही यहाँ।
अच्छा,
सांप तो है,
तो सांप है, यानी वो भी आप भी करेंगे। तो इसमें आवागमन जो है, जो श्रद्धालु का ज़्यादा रहता है कि कम रहता है?
हाँ, बहुत कम रहता है। मतलब कार्तिक पूर्णिमा हुआ तो थोड़ा भीड़ भड़का होता है, कोई त्योहार वार में भीड़ भड़का होता है।
अच्छा।
और बाकी दिन थोड़ा समागम कम है भक्तों का।
अच्छा, तो आप यानी संबलपुर का ये सबसे पुराना और पहला मंदिर बोला जाएगा तो कोई गलत नहीं है?
गलत नहीं है।
अच्छा, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप अपना कुछ समय हमें महानदी टाइम मीडिया प्रोडक्शन को आपने दिया। महानदी टाइम्स मीडिया प्रोडक्शन तरफ से आपको धन्यवाद। नाउ डियर फ्रेंड्स, एज यू नोज दैट दिस प्लेस ऑल्सो बिन फुल ऑफ स्नैक्स and most of people they are not coming here for that particular fear. So it is a historical temple and one of the most oldest temple of Sambalpur. As you all knows, this temple having its own significance, and it is the temple according to the structures of the Narayan Vishnu Swami. आप देखिए, ही इज इन स्लीपिंग पोस्चर. सो दिस Anantasajja temple is another tourist attractions of this area.